Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to add clickable links on Facebook bio. Now, the first thing to do is to find a link to paste on your Facebook bio. Let's just say, let's find something here on YouTube. I wanted to add a Selena Gomez song on my Facebook bio, so all I have to do is to search a Selena song here. And then once I found a song, then all I have to do is to tap the share icon. So tap this one and then tap copy link and then exit the application. Go to your Facebook account, but of course you need to launch the Facebook first and then go to your profile and look for the three dots. Now tap the three dots and then click edit and then scroll down and look for bio, this one. Now all you have to do is to tap this ad here. You can add a short bio to tell something about yourself, or you can just paste a link here. So let me type a few words here. For example, watch out and then paste the link from YouTube and then click save. Now, once done, you can log out or switch to your other Facebook account. Then you can visit your main profile to see if the bio is there or it's visible to everyone. So all you have to do is to log out, go to your other account. So now I'm currently logging into my other account, and this is my other account actually. So I have to search my main account. So this is my main account, Ellie Wright. And then if I'm going to see about here, then I can probably see the bio, watch out. And if I click this link, it will take me directly to YouTube and watch the Selena Gomez song. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.